Okay, so you're thinking about moving to Canada from the US in 2025. Great choice. Canada offers fantastic healthcare, beautiful landscapes, and a welcoming community. But where do you start? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, you need to decide what type of visa you'll apply for. There are several options like the Express Entry program, which is points-based and perfect for skilled workers. If you have a job offer in Canada, the Provincial Nominee program might be your best bet. And for students, there are study permits that can lead to permanent residency. Next, gather all necessary documents. You'll need your passport, educational credentials, and proof of work experience. It's also a good idea to get a police clearance certificate and medical exam ready. These can be time-consuming, so start early. Third, submit your application online. The process is pretty straightforward, but make sure to double-check everything before hitting that submit button. Any errors can cause delays. Now let's talk about the big move itself. Once your visa is approved, it's time to start planning your relocation. Think about hiring a moving company or renting a truck if you have a lot of stuff. Don't forget to notify your current landlord, utility companies, and of course your friends and family. When you arrive in Canada, you'll need to get a social insurance number, similar to the US Social Security number. This is crucial for work and accessing government services. You should also open a Canadian bank account and get a local phone number as soon as possible. Healthcare is another important aspect. Each province has its own health insurance plan, so you'll need to apply for that. In the meantime, consider getting temporary private health insurance. Let's not forget about finding a place to live. Whether you're renting or buying, do some research on the housing market in the city you're moving to. Websites like realtor.ca can be very helpful. Finally, immerse yourself in the local culture. Canada is diverse and full of opportunities to connect with people from all over the world. Join local groups, volunteer, or even take up a new hobby. It's a great way to make friends and feel at home. So, there you have it. Moving to Canada from the US in 2025 might seem like a big task, but with some planning and preparation, it can be a smooth transition. Good luck, and welcome to your new adventure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips.